the world's largest flying parrot isn't what you'd expect. Meet the Hyacinth Macaw, the breathtaking cobalt giant that's becoming increasingly rare. These stunning birds can reach over 3 feet long with wingspans of 4 feet. Their powerful beaks can crack coconuts and macadamia nuts effortlessly, yet they're known as gentle giants in the bird world. Native to Central and Eastern South America, fewer than 5,000 remain in the wild due to habitat loss and illegal pet trade. Their intelligence rivals that of a 4-year-old child, and they can live up to 50 years. These magnificent blue beauties are living treasures we might lose forever if we don't act now.